Kleinfontein Sorgsentrum is a centre that prides itself in taking care of the elderly, ill and disabled. The nature of their work requires a dependence on electricity to power their oxygen machines, kitchen and some lights. The existing backup generator no longer suited the needs of the centre and a bigger generator had to be installed. For our community-based project, we offered to help the centre build a casing for the new generator and install it. We had to build a casing to cover the generator, install some trunking for the new cables, and install a changeover switch. Finally, we will install the generator and train the centre staff to operate the new backup system. Before the project could be started, several weeks of planning and meetings were needed to approve designs and budgets. The final meeting was held on site of the first day of our project. After receiving approval for our design and budget, we headed to the suppliers and obtained all the needed material. Having some time to spare, we started preparing the steel for the generator casing. On the second day on site, we split into two groups, casing and trunking. The casing team finished treating the steel with protective paint and started to assemble the casing. The trunking team started to install some trunking. On the third day, we completed some of our objectives. The installation of the trunking was completed. After lunchtime, we installed the changeover switch and rewired the circuit board. For the rest of the day, the whole team finished work on the casing. The fourth day was our last day of intense labor. On this day we managed to finish with the wiring, the final touches were made to the casing and the new generator was installed. After a few tests were done to ensure that the new backup system worked, we removed the old generator. On our last day on site, we handed over instructions of the operation of the system. We also gave a detailed demonstration. We lastly thanked the community for the opportunity that they gave us to invest in other people's lives.
Looking back at the project, it meant something to me to help a community of elderly people. The thought of having had a part in an emergency system that would probably save lives was a real privilege. This project was a lot of fun, and if I could, I would do it all over again.
Being able to learn new useful skills and simultaneously help others makes this project very special, and I am grateful to have been a part of it.
I had a lot of fun doing this project. We laughed and joked a lot, but still worked hard to finish the project. I learned quite a few things about time management and keeping to our schedules. I also improved my designing skills on SolidWorks. Thank you for a great opportunity.
This project was a great motivator to expand my knowledge and obtain new perspectives of what is happening in my surrounding community. Being able to assist a center that takes care of people that can no longer fend for themselves gave me a feeling of satisfaction and pride in my work.
It was great fun to work with friends and get to know the community better. We got to meet new people and make friends. I think we all learned new things, and it's great to know what we did makes a positive difference in other people's lives.